Hello guys, introducing the odometer blocker for the 2025 Kia Sorento. At the beginning, we will introduce you to what you will get if you purchase the product, what you will need for installation, and we will also discuss activation and modes. For installation, we will need a plastic removal tool and screwdriver. Let's start the installation, guys. As we know, most of the superkilometer filter blockers are installed behind the speedometer, on the main cable of the system. Using the plastic removal tool mentioned above, remove this plastic cover and the 4 screws under it. Remove them with the help of a screwdriver, and the digital speedometer display will be removed. It has 3 different cable plugs connected to the back. Remove all. After that, we will see the system block. Behind it is connected exactly the cable to which we need to connect our blocker. But before we remove it, we have to remove these 2 plastic covers. First, the ventilation panel. To completely remove these covers, you must remove all screws. Even if you miss one, you cannot remove it or damage it. So, we removed the covers. Now remove all 4 screws of the block, and we will be able to take it out. Let's take our odometer blocker. Connect the software module like this. Then, connect the device's harness cable plug from the pin side to the main speedometer cable. And connect the other side of the harness cable to the system unit. After all this is done, you will see a red flashlight on the superkilometer filter software module. This means the device is turned on and the installation is successful. This is a blind plug. If you remove the software module and plug it in, the device will deactivate and shut down. Place the software module here, in a place convenient for you. Let's put all the details and screws back and move on to the activation and then the test drive. As I told you, the easiest way to manage and activate the device is the app. Download SKF Speed V2 to your smartphone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. The app will find the device and you will be able to connect. On the main screen, we have the speed indicator and modes. 3 modes in total. As we discussed above, in the first and second mode, the mileage is stopped at 100%, and in the third mode, everything works like the original. Go to the application settings. Enter the actual mileage of the car here. In our case, it is 18,295 kilometers. Give the device any name. Select Bluetooth in trip mode and save. Let's go. A car's odometer does not count mileage. The original mileage is recorded only in the application. Good luck, guys. See you in the next video.